Bueno, muy buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Jefferson Mateo Lora Romero. Soy estudiante del curso de inglés English Dashboard nivel 3. Y bueno, daré cumplimiento a la última actividad propuesta por el tutor Escalona Pomares de la siguiente manera. Clothing Store in Cartagena. Good morning. Place to greet. I am Jefferson Lora. Today I want to talk to you about some clothing store that I saw and something they I managed to buy. First I went to a store where the sign that say 16% off was attributed. Very nice clock, but their value I walked $2,000, meaning that is value with the discount was $800. That is very spent for me budget. Then I went to a place where there were good quality and very affordable clothes from $10. I was able to buy my mother dress the night light and my wife a couple of jeans.